Today I want to show you msword, a few tips that can help you. It means in the office or maybe in everywhere. I want to show you a few tips. Do you know here I made a table. I want to make some other like auto generated something like here. So this is the name and I want to here auto generate the serial number. How can I make serial number? So I must click on that and go to the insert tab. So click here. I want to insert a column to the left. So right now I want to here mention the serial number. It means 1 2 3 to auto generate this one. Just select this one and go there and click on only one. Click on the bullets. When you click, so you can see this one. So if right now you want to go there, like for example I want to go down, like how much. So if you are going down, so it immediately it is going to be generating. So if you delete, for example I want to delete, for example like these two, but when I want to delete this one, so there is again like we cannot if we delete this one, so it cannot be deleted, like rows cannot be, like for example I deleted 2 rows, but it's again 1 2 3, it means the series existed. Come to the step number 2. Here I have written some text, okay? This text I wanna make this one capital. So how can I make this capital easily? One way is there that we can make capital from this point, like this one. But I don't want to capital from that one. Just it is easy. Shift. Just you have to keep shift and F3. Like I selected this only. For example, I wanna make this one, this letter to capital letter. So just press on the shift and press F3 together at the same time. Then you can, like for example, any place or any letter that you wanna make it capital, just shift and F3. Okay, come to the next tip. We can make tables like this one, like how many rows in columns, that we can click here. But no, I don't want to do this one. Like for example, I created this one. No, I want to make another style. Just here you can press plus here, like this one, plus and minus, and plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, and plus, then enter. So we can, like whenever you have a plus mark there, we can make one cell or maybe cell and columns and more other things like this one. If you want to increase this one, just you can by the tab button go ahead and you can change that one, like this one. Okay, this was number 3. Come to the number 4. If you want to make double lines, here does just for double lines 3 times you have to press the minus, then enter. Look at it's above there, but so I will go down this. So minus 3 times, enter. If you want a double line, you should write, it means press the equal for 3 times, then press enter. If you want a more, it means 3 lines, you should write hash 3 times, then enter. If you wanna dot lines, you should press, it means 3 times straight, like this one. So these were the line styles that we can create in MS Word Office. So comes to the number 5th, I think so this is the 5th one. Here I have written, for example, a text. I have written a text like this one. Now I want to go to one side. It means like if I'm here and then I will press the arrow keys up and down in this one, it is one letter is going to be crossing. But if you want to cross, it means to jump from one word, you should press Control, then you have to click arrow key up and down and left like this one. If you want to go back, so press the left. It means press the Control, then you have to press the left click like this one, left arrows. If you want to go to above like one, if you want to cross one paragraph, you should press the Control button with up. It means up, like the up arrow keys, you can go on and above. If you want to go down, you can press the Control button, then you have to press on the down button, down arrow keys like this one. After this, I want to show you another techniques which is very good and outstanding technique. It is that I have written a number, but I can't read this number. So I want to read this number easily. Click on that and Control F9. First write the text, then press the Control with F9. When you press this one, just in the beginning of the letter, you should press the equal sign, and at the end, you should write backspace, then asterisk, then card text. When you have done this right now, click on that and update the field. So look at, like, there is a syntax error. I will come again. So there is a number. I want to select this one and Control F9, press Control F9. Then you have to first, it means like write the equal sign. Then you have to write the backspace slash like this one. Then asterisk. Then write card text. Then you should click and update it. So 458,787, it was this number. If you want to read that one so easily, you can do this one. Come again, guys, there was a problem. I want to write like this one, 4,578. How can I write this number? It means right now I want to change this number, this letter, it means this number to the letter. How can we change this one? Select this one and click Alt F9 together. Then you have to write the equal from in the beginning of the letter, it means that number. At the end, you should write the backspace, then shift N8 for the asterisk. Then you have to write a card in text. When you have done it, then right click on that and update the fields. Then 4,578. We can, like, it means like we can change by this method. Any number you can change by this method. So it is enough. Thank you for your attention.